Hey guys, let's check out this car jump starter that I received for reviewing purposes. First, we got the user manual with all the important information about it and how to use it, which I think that it's really nice. In here, we got the main unit, and as you can see, it ain't that big, which I think that it's nice. Seems really portable. In here, but it's nice is that it has an LED light that you can turn on, but just one pressing the button. So you can see, if we press it quickly, it will change modes. It has a strobe mode and an SOS mode, which I think that it's really useful, cycling them with just the press of the button. Okay, on this side we get the engine start connections, which we're going to check out in a minute. And on this side, something I think that is really nice is that it has two USB A ports and a USB Type C, meaning that you can use it as a power bank in any case that you run out of battery for your cell phone or any kind of devices that you need while you're outdoors, which I think it's nice. Okay, it also has this little stand so you can place it when you're not using it. Okay, in the box that comes with it gets all the proper attachments like the jumper cables, okay, labeled positive and negative, which I think that it's really nice. And we also get a USB A to Type C charging cable that we can use also with the power bank function, which I think that it's great. Okay, and let me show you how you can use it. Okay, when you run out of battery in your car, just take this with you, place it on the correct side, and as you can see, you can see that there's power, and you're gonna connect them to the terminals upon your car depending which one it's which. Okay, in this case, mm, this one's negative, this one positive. Okay, you can just, as you can see, the light stays like this. Okay, go upon your car, turn it on, and it will start. Once that it starts, you can now take them out, and your car will have started without having to get energy out of another car, which I think that it's really nice. And overall, as you can see, it's quite small. It's really nice because it's portable. You can take it in your trunk in any kind of trip if you need it, and I think that it's great, and I would really recommend it. See you guys.